Good afternoon, Karen. This is Matthew Messer from Toyota Melbourne. I am here today to show you the 2019 Toyota Highlander we have. As you can see, we have a whole line of them over here. We have more in the back of the dealership. I'm just going to do a little panoramic view of all the ones we have right now over here. But the one you're looking for the Blizzard Pearl White 2019 XLE Highlander. Here it is right here. Now this is going to be with the nutmeg interior right here. You do have your nice rims on it right here. Your aluminum alloy rims on it. So inside you have your leather seats. You have your 8-way power seat right there. Again, on the you do have your touch screen right there. This has come with your sunroof on it. You do have your your 4-year Toyota Guard Platinum, which includes your 4 years of service, 5 years of roadside service. You have your heated seats right there. Again, this has come with all your safety features, lane change, lane change, forward emergency brake, intelligent cruise control. I mean, all the Toyota safety features on it. You have blind spot in this one also with rear cross traffic. Your back seat, as you can see, you have a lot of room in the back seat right here. You do have the rear option of the passengers controlling their AC, and you also have down here 120 volt, which is a 2-prong charger. Plus, you have the 2 USBs right there in the back. And get in the back seat. All you do is roll this forward. There you go. Is your back seat right here. Now these seats will fold down if you need them to. They fold straight down in case you need to put stuff in them. They can. And then again, this is your 2019 Toyota Highlander right here. If you have any questions or concerns about the vehicle, please give me a call back at 321-254-8888. Extension 252, and I'll help you out whatever I can. You have a blessed day. I look forward to speaking with you.